underwater world in this reef area contains a collection of flora and fauna that we don't normally see. It's the unfamiliar combination of shapes, colors, and sizes that makes a diving experience so immersive and unforgettable. The local residents of this area are cautious enough to keep a distance from the divers, and some are curious to understand what we are. The kelp forests in this area can grow up to 1.5 meters long. For a new diver, going through the kelp forest can be a daunting experience. And as the kelp sway and brush against your arms, legs, and body, your mind will start playing tricks, enacting your worst fears and nightmare of being strangled by evil kelp. Passing through the wall of kelp will take you to different pockets and experience and see different things. In this pocket resides a school of striped fish, playfully swimming around and feeding off the algae. Down here, it is the underwater current that plays the role of a gushing wind, changing its direction and intensity unpredictably throughout the day. This area is also home to the large, flat kelp, which somewhat resembles the tasty lasagna. And as we explore further into the reef, there are pockets that can become quite deep. This pocket is about 3 meters deep. These huge boulder-like reefs are home to a number of local residents, and if we're lucky enough, we might even see some external visitors. It's time to take a dive and visit. And today, we're in luck. Hiding underneath the reef is a Port Jackson shark, about 1 meter in length. The Port Jackson shark is considered a friendly shark and usually is harmless for humans. But as a general rule of thumb, don't disturb a sleeping shark. These lasagna seaweed has a peculiar root system that attaches to these rocks as if they are suction cups, which I've never seen before. And to give an indication of size, the stem are about the size of a large banana. The abalone divers work in the deep end, where the water is at least 2 meters deep. And as the tide starts coming in, fishing for abalone becomes a tricky business. They have to fight against the disorienting current from the waves, and the sea kelp gets in your face. It's as if the environment is working together to protect the abalone. Further into the deep end, the area becomes hauntingly beautiful. This area is one of the many entrances that connect the reef to the outside ocean. These guardian kelp form a door-like structure, welcoming the water and the current into the reef as the tide rises. The tide brings with them the gift of many white bubbles. Beyond this area, there is little to no visibility. It's best not to explore any further.